Hello friends and greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on our ISTQB AI Tester certification. We are in chapter 7 talking about testing AI based systems, and we'll be looking forward to continue ahead today with 7.3, the test data for testing AI based systems to understand better. Well, in our previous tutorials, in fact, in our earlier chapters, we have discussed a lot about what exactly is the data set which we use for training AI-based system. In fact, we have covered the ratios as well, that what kind of ratio do we use for training, evaluation, and testing, of course, which comes to 80 is to 20 is to 20, or is 80 is to 10, or sometimes 60 is to 20 is to 20. So majority of the data set is definitely being used for training purposes of the AI-based systems or ML models, but there's 20% data which is basically allocated for testing. So having a small topic to talk about a slightly more deeper, that what are the test data which we use for AI-based system. So depending on the situation and the system under test, the acquisition of the test data might present a challenge. There are several potential challenges in dealing with the test data for AI-based system, which certainly includes the big data, which is high volume, high velocity, and high variety of data, which can be difficult to create and manage. For example, it may be difficult to create representative test data for a system that consumes large volumes of images and audios at a high speed. So certainly, we do have good understanding from our previous discussions that how challenging it can be to prepare the right amount of data or appropriate set of data for training an ML model, and at the same time to test it, which should be distinct. So one big challenge what we see, even though we have the appropriate amount of data with us, that big data, which means like some systems do occupy or consume a huge amount of data in terms of a lot of information needed to train the ML model and thus to test it. And this big data certainly is one of the common challenges seen towards testing AI-based system. On the other hand, the other option which we have is input data may need to change over time, particularly if it represents events in the real world. For example, recorded photographs to test a facial recognition system may need to be aged to represent the aging of the people over several years in life, which simply says that the data needs to be evolved or sometime predefined over an input parameter and certainly revised in order to train the model that how exactly the transformation in the faces can take place and how exactly the system should revise these information. The third parameter is personal or otherwise confidential data that may need special techniques for sanitization, encryption, or redactions. Legal approvals for use of these may also be required. Now, of course, there are sensitive data regarding, personal information like date of birth, or if you talk about gender, you talk about the ages, and there are several other things which could be sensitive information. Of course, so we need to take several amount of effort and definitely different techniques to conduct the sanitization, which is cleaning of the data, encryptions, and redactions, which are securing the data in a way that the system does not disclose the real values of that to any other users, where security testing can also be taken place at this point of time to make sure that the AI-based system is highly secure. And of course, as you are dealing with personal and sensitive data, which could be critical enough at some places and some countries, or particularly to human beings, then legal approvals may be required to pass on these data, which sometime may not be approved. And finally, when testers use the same implementation as the data scientist for data acquisition and data pre-processing, then defects in these steps may be masked, which means that, of course, the same steps are being taken for the implementation by data scientist for data acquisition and data pre-processing, then of course there would be difficulty to identify the defects underlying them. So keeping to the point, there are certainly few challenges what the testing team faces with respect to the test data for the AI-based system, which team has to overcome by trying the best level possible. Because it's not necessary that you can have everything what you really need to test the system, but how exactly to best test with the limited resources what you may have at any point of time. Well, that's all from this particular tutorial, team. Should you have anything else, feel free to comment below. I'm always there to address your queries and answer them well. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep understanding the context. Thanks for watching the video, team, and happy learning.